In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix. It looks like you don't have any applicable devices linked to your Microsoft account, so let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type WS Reset. WS Reset Run command on the right pane. Simply click the option Run as Administrator. So once you click on Run as Administrator, that will reset the Microsoft Store cache. Then that will help you fix the issue. Okay? You simply click on Run as Administrator. I'm just going to click on it because I don't want to reset the Microsoft Store cache on my Windows 11. Then the second thing that you can do is to download the latest updates for your Windows by clicking on the Start button and go to Settings. Then simply click Windows Update on the left pane. Then click this button Check for Updates. Okay, so that will help you download and install the latest updates for your Windows because most of the latest downloads for your Windows comes with the Windows update. So just simply click on that button. As you can see, this is installing an update for my Windows. And once it states right here that it is up to date, then do not forget to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.